Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Those one who is following me knows that I was showing last week the fish scale stitch, and I was promising to make a head using the stitch. So that's how it looks, this head, and I was knitting it in round. And for the ribbon part I was using 4mm knitting needles, and for the main part I was using 5mm knitting needles. The yarn that I was using is pretty old. I'm not sure that you find it, but it has 40 grams and 95 meters, and it's 100% acrylic yarn. I was knitting in 2 strands of yarn, and I would say that this is the same as a bulky yarn. Uh, so you can use a bulky yarn number 5. This hat is perfect for men and women, for boys and girls. You can add a fluffy pom-pom or make a yarn pom-pom. So try this hat and you will not regret because it fits perfect. So if you're ready, let's get started. Using long tail cast on method, I cast on 76 stitches plus 1 extra stitch that I'm going to use for invisible joining method. Cast on any other number that is divisible by 2. So I slip the first stitch and slip over the last stitch, and then I drop it off the needle and pull tight and return the stitch back to the left hand needle. Place marker and start ribbon part, knit 1, purl 1, or it can be knit 2, purl 2. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Like this you go on till the marker, and then you knit until the ribbon part reaches 5-6 centimeters. So I've done exactly 10 rounds, and now I'm going to change needles from 4mm to 5mm. And the first round I knit all stitches. Knit all stitches around. Go on knit till the stitch marker. The second round I'm going to repeat the first round, so knit all stitches around. Knit till the stitch marker. The third round, knit 1, slip next stitch with the yarn in back, and repeat. Knit 1, slip next stitch with the yarn in back, knit 1, slip next stitch with the yarn in back, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip. Repeat till the end of round. The fourth round, purl 1, slip next stitch with a yarn in back, purl 1, slip next stitch with a yarn in back, purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip. Like this it looks now. Repeat till the stitch marker. Next you are going to repeat all those 4 rounds, and the next round you will need all that slipped stitches. After ribbing part I've done in total 40 rounds, and my hat now measures 19 centimeters. And now I'm ready to start decreases. So you see my purl stitch looks this way, so I just turn it and knit 2 together. In case your purl stitch looks the same as the next slip stitch, don't turn it, just make knit 2 together. I do it to make decreases more smooth, to look more smooth. Knit 2 together all the way around till the marker. The second round of decreases, and I'm not going to decrease here anything, just knit all stitches around. Knit, knit, repeat till marker. The third round I'm going to knit 2 together all the way around. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. And go on till the marker. In the last round, here you can change your circular needles to double pointed needles, because it's a little bit hard to decrease now. So the last row will be same, knit 2 together all the way around. You see it's a little bit tough, so I suggest changing to double pointed knitting needles. Knit 2 together. Go on to marker. So I've done all my decreases. Cut the yarn, leaving about 10 centimeters tail. Then take a hook or tapestry needle, yarn needle, and thread it through remaining stitches. And the last 3 stitches. Pull tight, close the top. Now pull the tail to the wrong side, and then weave in ends. By the way, I wanted to show you how the hat looks from the wrong side. I like it as well. So you've done a hat, and that's how it looks. And I really like how it fits. Just add pom-pom, but before don't forget to wash it and dry on the flat surface. It will look much better. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and see you soon. Bye.